Many women use sleep gummies, and in menopause, some edibles may backfire for hair. I'm Misti, a trichologist, and here's the simple reason and a potentially safer plan. Think of night signals like a dimmer switch. When the dimmer stays steady, hair cycles run smoothly. If the dimmer flickers, bright, dim, bright, the hair gets mixed messages, and more strands move into shedding. For some women, nightly edibles make that dimmer flicker. Edibles can nudge sleep and stress signals. In menopause, those signals are very touchy. When they wobble, more hairs can slide into shed. Using gummies? Comment gummy below and leave any questions that you have or tell me your experience. I promise I'll reply. So I was working with Dana. She was 52, having night sweats, poor sleep, a lot of shedding with her hair. She added a sleep gummy most nights. At first, the sleep felt deeper. Then at 3 a.m., the wake up started coming back. So at about week 3, there was more hair on her pillow and in the drain. So I had her pause for 2 weeks, then take a smaller dose, 3 nights a week, not nightly, and had her take it earlier in the evening. We added magnesium glycinate at bedtime, and she got more daylight. I also had her do gentle movements and keep a steady lights out time, same time every night at bed. After 3 weeks, the loose strands dropped, and by 6 to 8 weeks, the brush showed fewer fallouts. So ask yourself, has my shedding rose during 2 to 8 weeks after starting nightly edibles or after a dose change? Do you have deep sleep and then wide awake around 3 a.m.? That often means a signal flicker. Are there any co-triggers, iron or ferritin issues, thyroid shifts, high stress? If so, consider testing with a clinician. Keep a 10-day journal of hair fall and the notes. Shower or brush count, or just a simple yes/no. Space your doses 3 nights a week. Use a smaller amount, earlier timing, add magnesium glycinate at night, and if you take meds, make sure you check with your provider. Morning, daylight, get 10 minutes of easy movement, same bedtime, same wake time, every single day. I have a free guide below. It's called the Top 9 Foods for Menopausal Hair Loss. Nutrition really matters. Food first always wins. This isn't a one-size-fits-all. Some women do fine, others see more shed. Menopause is a really signal-shifting season. The goal is calm, steady nights so that dimmer stays smooth. Don't panic. Hair often improves when the night plan steadies. Sleep relief is good, but for some, nightly edibles flicker those night signals and push more hairs into the shedding phase. Test the spacing, shift the timing, and steady your routine. Next up, vaping and menopausal hair loss. I will see you there.